Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to draw this spread with you to motivate you and to show you who you are, what you can, what you will, and what you have already accomplished. And for that spread you need a few materials. So here's what you need. First of all, your bullet journal, a set square, a compasses, a white Sharpie, a tumble dual brush pen, a micron fine liner, and some black washi tape. And once you have all that together, we can get started. So I use a double page and draw on the right, but you can totally do it on the left, just as you want. And we start with the compasses and draw in the middle a small circle, and then we do a little one which is a bit bigger, and then we need an outline as well. And once you have set these three circles, you are already well prepared. So in the next point we need the frame, and for that we draw 4 lines on top, bottom, left and right, and we leave some space on each side, and which has to be the same size. So if you leave 3 squares on the right, then you do it on the right and on the top and on the bottom, so on each area actually. So then you can draw some half circles in a bit. So now we draw a line square just right through the page, and then you see me drawing the half circles here. That is what I meant. We need this exact same amount of space so it gets right. So as you can already see, the next step is to draw a frame around the frame, so it looks a little bit more bold. I like that. You don't have to do it, of course, just if you wanted to have it like me. And I use 1 square for that, so I have that amount. And then I draw my half circles once again and close the squares here. That's basically the spread, at least the outline. And now we need to take care of the inside of the spread. And for that I will start with the washi tape. So I just grab some pieces of washi tape and put those in each area here, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top, so I can write on them with a white Sharpie. I think this technique gives the spread a little bit something special, actually, because there is this washi tape on it, and then I write with a white Sharpie, and this is something you usually cannot easily accomplish. Of course you can draw it with a pencil and then write on it, but I like that it comes out a little bit, but it's totally up to you. Now you fill the circle, and I put under it a paper so it doesn't bleed through. That's important, just don't forget it. It might work or it might not, it depends on your bullet journal. Here I'm lucky it works, but if it wouldn't have, I had a few pages killed with that. So first I draw now here the circle on the left, because that is the half of my moon, and my moon is in the dark, right? So now I'm going to draw the outline of the circle manually. So you see me using the micron fine liner, and I'm just turning the book around, so I believe it's a little bit easier. Of course you don't get it 100%, but I want to have it looking a bit hand drawn. That's why I don't mind that it doesn't look 100% exact. I just enjoy drawing it, and I enjoy this handmade look actually. And that comes again when we draw in the faces of the moon and the sun, but for now we need some strays here. So the face is a fun part, so don't forget the moon is sleeping and the sun is having fun, so it's laughing actually. So don't forget to have one half sleepy and one looking straight on you. And once you have done that, don't forget to put the bullet points, because that is what the spread is all about. You want to write down what you are, what you can, what you will do, and what you have already accomplished. And once you have done that, your spread is ready. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. And if you've liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And then I really hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.